How to clean mushrooms. Tips and tricks. First, we cut off the stem of the mushroom and check that it is not wormy. Worms like mushroom a lot, and if the worms are in the mushroom, they are most often in the stem. Then clean the cap with the cloth from needles, dirt and other impurities. After all, it grew in the forest, in the nature. Then clean the stem, scrape off the top layer, that's where the most dirt is. And finally, we cut the mushroom in half to check that it is healthy and free of worms, even inside the cap. We repeat the same procedure for other mushrooms. Snails enjoyed the cap of this mushroom. Therefore, it is necessary to thoroughly clean the cap of this mushroom with the cloth and cut off the bitten parts. It's almost always true that if a mushroom is bitten by slugs, it is not wormy. Cut off the top layer of the stem again and cut off the stem at the bottom. And finally, cut the mushroom in half. The bluish parts on the other side of the cap are not a defect. It is a kind of mushroom that turns blue over time. However, if you are picking mushroom in the wild in the forest, really pick only those mushrooms that you are 100% familiar with and you know they are not poisons. In my country, mushroom picking is something of a national sport, and even small children go to forests with their parents and safely know many types of mushrooms. With this mushroom you can see that it has a wormy stem. That's why I do not bother cleaning the cap, and I cut the mushroom and see that there are worms in the cap as well. So bye-bye my little one. And finally, some really ugly mushrooms. You can already tell by touch that they will not be healthy. They are soft and wrinkled. The whole cap is eaten by worms. You will not enjoy this mushroom again. Mushroom picking is a passion, mushroom cleaning is fun, and mushroom dishes are simply delicious. Thanks for watching. Check out my other mushroom videos, perhaps a long satisfying video of mushroom cleaning. Subscribe, like, and bye.